secondary colors.
Good morning, children. I am Teacher Grace, and I am your teacher for today. Are you excited to listen another lesson? Okay, our topic for today is all about the primary and secondary colors. But before that, let me introduce our objectives for today. So at the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify different kind of primary and secondary colors. Second is describe how secondary colors are produced. The third one is paint using primary and secondary colors. So now, let's start with our lesson. So try to look at on the screen. What do you observe? Yes, colors. So what color is this? Color? Red. How about the second one? Color? Yellow. How about this one? It's blue. So these three colors, we call them the primary colors. What we call these colors again, class? Primary colors. Very good. So these objects are the example of color red. This object is example of color yellow and blue. Now, let's combine two primary colors and determine or find what will be the color produced. Okay, now let's explore. Did you remember, class, that I said yesterday that you will grade colors? Okay, did you grade? So now please get your colors, because this time we will mix colors, or we will combine colors and determine what will be the color produced. Okay, are you ready? So mix color red and yellow. So, what is the color produced? It's color orange. The next one is the red and blue. What the color produced? Color violet. Last one is blue and yellow. What the color produced? It's green. Now let's all clap our hands. So these colors here, we call it the secondary colors. What do you call this again, class? Secondary colors. Yes. So now, before we will proceed in your activity, do you have any questions? Okay, no, very good, class. Okay, now, for your activity, you will draw any objects and color it using the primary and secondary colors. And this is the examples. But if you want to have this one, you can. But if you not, or if you want to draw anything you want, much better. Okay, your time starts now. Are you done, class? Okay, very good. Can you please pass your output here in front? Okay. In our another activity, we will know if you learned something about our lesson. Our next activity is this one. So you will answer this one in your art notebook. So get your art notebook class and copy the questions and answer. These are the choices. And you can answer it in any order. Are you done, everyone? Okay. Exchange notebook with your sibling. We will check your answers. So, what is the answer of number 1? First is yes, red. The second one is yellow. The third one is blue. Okay, who got the correct answers? Very good. So now let's proceed to number 2. What are the secondary colors? Secondary colors are orange, violet, and green. Okay, who got the perfect score? Very good. So now, return the notebook to the right owner. Did you see your scores? Okay. Pass the notebook in front because I will record your score. So, for your assignment, you will draw and paint your favorite objects or animals or anything you want. What you will need: also paper or bond paper, pencil, paintbrush, watercolor, or any wet paint. But class, be creative in your drawing because you will share it to the class in our next meeting. Do you have any questions, class? If not, that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye, everyone.